This video is a guide on installing the VD05 dual lens video doorbell. Open the package and take out the items. After completing the device addition in the app, take out the USB connector and the chime. While the chime is powered on, press and hold the volume button on the chime for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Press the doorbell button to pair it with the chime. The chime will make a successful pairing prompt sound. It is recommended to install the doorbell on the side of the door handle. Avoid installing it directly on metal surfaces to prevent the metal from affecting the stability of the doorbell and Wi-Fi signal. To ensure the normal operation of the doorbell, the recommended installation height is between 1.2 and 1.7 meters. Before installation, you can refer to the real-time view on your mobile phone to determine the installation position. If using 3 meters adhesive for installation, it is recommended to choose a smooth surface such as ceramic tile or glass for mounting. There are 2 ways to mount the doorbell. Installation method 1. Using 3M adhesive. Please first clean the installation location so the 3 meters adhesive can achieve maximum viscosity. Take out the 3 meters adhesive and the installation bracket. Stick the 3 meters adhesive to the back of the bracket. Peel off the thin 3 meters adhesive film. Then, stick the bracket with the arrow pointing up onto the determined location. Please press firmly on the edges of the installation bracket for about 30 seconds after sticking, waiting for the installation bracket to remain static for 24 hours to achieve its strongest adhesion before proceeding with the next step. Installation method 2. Drilling installation. First, use the positioning sticker to mark the drilling locations. Use an electric drill to make 2 holes. After drilling the holes, peel off the positioning sticker. Insert 2 plastic expansion plugs into the holes. Align the installation bracket with the arrow pointing up with the holes. Insert and tighten the expansion screws. Then, simply snap the doorbell into place to complete the installation successfully.